Dear students, welcome back to the English class. In this video, I have for you the poem Odd Animal. In our previous video, we have heard the reading of the poem. In this class, you will listen to the explanation of the poem. Let's begin the class. Before explaining to you, let me read this poem once again to you. So keep your fingers and repeat after me. Odd animal. Believe me, this story is true. I once saw an animal whose trunk was bright blue. Please listen. I will tell you. Of this creature I have seen. Its 4 legs were purple. Its feathers lime green. The 5 nails on each toe were covered in hair, and its head, quite red, looked like a squashed pear. Ash Vinegar. So the poet of this beautiful poem is Ash Vinegar. Let me explain this poem to you. Dear children, you can see here a picture of an animal. It's an odd animal. Why it is called as an odd animal? Because it looks different from the other animals. What we see in everyday life, when we compare that animal with this animal, we see that this animal looks something odd. So why this odd animal is shown here? Dear children, in this poem, the poet is saying about he has seen something. Okay, so he is telling a story where he has seen something. Believe me, this story is true. I once saw an animal whose trunk was bright blue. What he has seen? He has seen an animal whose trunk was bright blue in color. This is the trunk of an elephant. So this animal is not an elephant. It has a trunk, and the trunk was bright blue in color. Please listen, I will tell you. Of this creature I have seen, its 4 legs were purple. Again that poet says that the trunk was bright blue, then its legs were purple. The color of the legs were purple. How many legs it had? 4 legs. And these 4 legs were purple in color. Its feathers lime green, and this animal had feathers on its body. You can see here the feathers, and the color of the feathers were lime green. Yellow and green, when we mix, what the color we obtain, that color is called lime green, and the color of the feathers were lime green. And the animal also had the 5 nails on each toe. So these are the toes of that animal, and what he had? He had 5 nails. And the nails were covered in hair, and these nails were not visible because the nails were completely and fully covered in hair. And its head quite red. You can see the head of the animal. Which color it is? Red color, quite somewhat red in color. Looked like a squash pear. So, and it was looking like a squash pear. Pear is a fruit. So So when you take any fruit and you apply a strong force on that fruit, what will happen? The fruit is squashed due to the strong force which you have applied on that fruit. The fruit is squashed now. So even the animal's head was looking like a squashed pear. Squashed pear means what? It was like a squashed fruit. And the complete picture of the animal was like odd animal. So dear children, we guess that the poet has seen this animal maybe in his dream. And he is explaining to us that what he has seen is true. So he is saying, believe me, and what story is going to tell us it is true. Even we like to dream. And in a dream we see beautiful things. Some different things we come across in our dreams. Even we travel to the land where we have not even gone. So all those are imaginary things we create in our mind and we travel to that place, or else we see those things, or else we eat, or else we feel. We think we are surrounded by some different place and the objects like that. How we dream beautiful pictures in our mind, same way the poet has a beautiful thing in his mind to explain to us, that is, he has seen an odd animal. It had a red color head which looked like a squashed pear, blue color trunk, feathers on its body, lime green color feathers, and purple color legs, 4 legs, and it had 5 nails. All the nails were covered with hair. So this was a complete picture of the odd animal. Dear students, kindly read the poem once again and try to pronounce the words correctly. The poet is Ash Veninger. Thank you.